Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on PC. If your Roblox is not launching on your PC, it can be frustrating, but the problem is usually caused by corrupted game files, outdated software, or interference from your antivirus program. The following steps provide a more detailed guide to help fix the issue. Firstly, restart your computer. You need to go to this Windows and select this or icon and select restart. Before trying anything else, you need to restart your PC. This closes any background Roblox processes that may have become stuck and refreshes your system. And you can simply open to your new app, delete the previous app that you have opened to Roblox with, and simply type down roblox.com and enter it. Or you can also disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. And the next is check your internet connection. Simply go to your internet connection and turn off your internet connection and also toggle off and toggle on your airplane mode as well. And you need to disconnect any VPN or proxy service. Ensure your firewall is not blocking your Roblox. And that is it. This is how you can fix your Roblox not launching on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.